In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read volume on Thinkorswim. To get started, open Thinkorswim web and bring up a stock chart. Once the chart is on screen, look at the lower panel beneath the main price chart. You'll see a series of vertical bars labeled volume. This is the volume indicator, and it shows how much trading activity took place during each candle or time period on your chart. It's important to understand that each volume bar matches the time frame you're using. For example, if you're on a 5-minute chart, each bar represents the number of shares traded during that 5-minute window. If you switch to a daily chart, each bar represents the total trading volume for the full day. Keeping the time frame in mind helps you interpret the data correctly. The next thing to do is compare volume to the bars around it. Volume is most useful when you look at it in context, not by itself. When volume is high compared to recent bars, it usually means more traders are participating in the move. That can make a price move more meaningful and may point to a breakout, a reaction to news, or larger buying and selling activity. On the other hand, when volume is low, it often suggests less interest. In that case, price moves may be weaker or less reliable. You should also pay attention to the colors of the volume bars. By default, a green volume bar means the price closed higher than the previous candle, while a red volume bar means the price closed lower than the previous candle. A large green volume bar can suggest strong buying pressure, and a large red volume bar can suggest strong selling pressure. The size of the bar and the color together can give you a quick read on market sentiment. To make volume even easier to interpret, add average volume to the chart. Click Studies, then choose Edit Studies. In the search box, look for volume AVG or a simple moving average applied to volume, then apply it to your chart. This gives you a baseline so you can compare current activity to what's normal. For example, if average volume is 1 million shares and current volume is 3 million,